Good morning, Mandal present here. Let me continue with the next topic in the Unit 5, which is called as console operation, which is included in this lecture video as well. Let us move on to the next slide for the introduction about console operation. So what is the introduction based on console operation is, which is primarily involved reading input from the user and writing output to the screen. What are the main methods we are going to utilize here is system.out and system.in streams, the scanner class and the console class. So this is the diagram here, system.out.println, which means writing data to the console with a new line. System.out.print means writing data to the console without a new line. So that was ln is nothing but it's mentioned for new line. If I didn't mention ln means it will display the data in the monitor, not in the new line. The continuous thing will be there. In system.out.printf, printf is nothing but writing formatted data to the console. And buffer reader class is nothing but reading data using the buffer reader class. And error handling, which manages error in console application. And what is the purpose of console operation? We are just going to see the definition here, which includes taking input from the user and displaying the output on the screen, which is a simple task. Normally we will do, if you take any language here, as a user, the source code will be typed, and for the result purpose, we will be moving to the console output only. So commonly used in command line application. This console operation will be used in command line application. What is command line application is? It will normally utilize console operations for just for interaction purpose. And what is the use of input function, which allows user to enter the data, and output function for displaying the output to the user. These things we know, which we are doing it in a daily task. Console input in OOPS. Which method should be used for console input in Java? Scanner class, buffer reader class. So using the scanner class part of the java.util package, which offers a simple and convenient way to parse primitive data types and strings from an input stream, such as the console. What are the scanner common methods used in the scanner methods? Which scanner method should be used for reading input? So read line is there, read integer is there, read double, read float, read boolean, read token, check next token, check next integer, and check next double. We will be seeing it one by one. Read line is nothing but which reads a complete line of text including spaces, and read integer is nothing but reads an integer value from the input. Read double reads a double value from the input. Read float reads a float value from the input. Boolean means true or false. Token means even the white space is also one of the token that is included. Next token, which means which checks for the another token in the input. Next integer checks for another integer. Next double means which will check for next double. Using the buffer reader class. The buffer reader class, which is nothing but the part of the Java IO package, which provides a more efficient way to read large amount of text from an input string. So what is the pros and cons of using this buffer reader class? First one, it's efficient in reading, and character array and line will also be read by the buffer reader, and which is actually the part of java.io library. And the cons is nothing but which is very complexity, and it will utilize more memory. So the thing is resource management is an issue in the buffer reader by using buffer reader class. So far we have seen what is console operation and what all the types of console operation, what are all the scanner methods available in the console operation, which we have discussed so far. And we saw about what is buffer reader class and what is the pros and cons of using this buffer reader class here. By using buffer reader class, we have two two cons, which is nothing but one is complexity and another one is resource management. So in the next forthcoming video, we will be seeing the continuation of this console operation. Thank you.